I'm Kaitlin Narciso, a travel editor and food journalist. As an adventurer, I'm always looking to escape the grind of city life. From taking in the natural wonders to relaxing in beautiful boutique hotels like Queen's Landing, Niagara offers one of my favorite great escapes.
Obvious Niagara Falls, Niagara has so much to offer, like this, Upper Falls of Balls Falls, and it's so immense and beautiful, and there are so many hiking trails to explore. Whenever I think about escaping the city, I always think about how I can reconnect with nature, and my favorite way to do that is hiking. I am starving, and I have been told time and time again that I have to come here to try their brunch menu. The pork belly and brie Benedict. Guys, this looks insanely good. What's also really cool is they are rated #1 brunch in North America by TripAdvisor. Aside from this incredible view, Flat Rock is known for this, their Gravity Pinot Noir. It's 3 different wines blended together from French oak barrels, and it's delicious. I am a whiskey girl, so you know I had to make my way to Wayne Gretzky's estate winery to try some of their amazing whiskeys. Niagara produces 90% of the world's ice wine, and what's special about this one is that it is aged in an ice wine barrel. Bottoms up. I think my favorite thing about Ryerson Park is that the same city that I was escaping from, Toronto, is just right across the lake. And yet, I've never felt more at peace. I'm here watching the sunset with a glass of local wine. What could be better?
I'm Kaitlin Narciso, and this is my Niagara experience.